So as the inventor of the pMDI in 1956, as Riker Laboratories, we brought the world's first pMDI to the market. In the mid-90s, Kindeva, as 3M Drug Delivery Systems, were central to reformulating CFC-free inhalers and were the first company to launch a CFC-free version in 1996. Since then, we followed that up with the first commercially available dose-by-dose counter, the first nasal inhaler in 2012, and we've also produced the first bioequivalent pMDI to GSK Seretide, and very recently followed that up with first bioequivalent generic to AstraZeneca's Symbicort product. So here at Kindeva, we've got unrivaled subject matter experts in the field of pulmonary and nasal. We draw on all our experience of the firsts that we've mentioned previously. We're also making sure that we put that experience to the best use possible by delivering the best product outcomes for our clients. So here at Kindeva, we are a full service provider. We offer end-to-end capabilities, all the way through from proof of concepts, viability, feasibility, through full development and into commercialization. As part of that, the linkages between those different processes are very important. For instance, scale up and industrialization between the development work and the commercialization with a ribbon of regulatory support all the way through. So as well as being a full service provider and end-to-end capabilities, we are a vertically integrated organisation also. We offer clients access to our componentry solutions, so valves, cans, actuators, dose counters. Very much a collaborative and iterative process between our component supply centres and the needs and the wishes of the customer. With a vertical integration and the horizontal integration, we are truly a turnkey service provider, a one-stop shop, if you will. An important aspect of this is scale. Kindeva is the only CDMO offering all the scales available for new green propellants, from lab scale to pilot scale at GMP, all the way through to commercial scale. So looking to the future and the transition that we're about to embark on, we feel that Kindeva is uniquely placed to deliver the best outcomes for patients and customers. We're already very familiar with the propellants. We've done a lot of work in the lab and developing products. We have scale all the way from lab to GMP to commercial, and our first commercial line is available in 2024. So Kindeva as an organisation is doubling down on its investments in the low-GWP space, and over the next 5 years we'll be making significant investments in both our infrastructure and our manufacturing capabilities. So distilling all the attributes I've mentioned before, we believe that working with Kindeva gives you the best opportunity to bring your product to the market in the shortest possible time to deliver the best possible outcome. Working with Kindeva is a partner you can trust.